I heard about ST suspension 2 years ago because I have car friends who have installed it on their car. About 4 months ago, I was watching YouTube, this channel called Car Prime, and I saw my idol, Keiichi Tsuchiya, talking about his Toyota 86, his very own Toyota 86. And he featured this suspension, the ST-XTA Plus 3. So that sealed the deal for me. If my idol is using it, it should be a decent suspension. I've been on a journey of this discovery, trying to refine the car's looks and handling. I am deeply impressed by the workmanship and professionalism of Autoclinic's staff, because I put my car in for 2 days. I actually sat in to observe them working my car. The boss himself actually worked on my car, and which I'm very grateful for. And they not only changed the suspension coilover system, I think I was very appreciative that they actually checked my car and advised me on some of the wear and tear and part to change for preventive maintenance. So I took the opportunity to change my undercarriage bushings and camber arms and adjustable endings at one shot, because I wanted my car to feel like new. I wanted my car to feel like